Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the union and union by name. Basically, when we want to do the append of two data frame, at that time we use the union and union by name. So at the first line, if you see, I just imported all the function. This is standard syntax. At the second line, I just imported all the types, and I also imported the window. Right, whenever we are want to perform the window function like lead, lag, rank, dense rank, at that time we use the this window function. Right, firstly, in pyspark we have the data frame concept. In that data frame we have the data and columns. So whenever you want to write the data, it must be in the square bracket, and each row must be in the round bracket. So if you see, we have the three columns. First one is id, name, and department. Like same is like this is we have three records, and here also we have the two records. So under columns, what we are doing, this is employee id, then name and department. So firstly, this is the standard syntax. So df1 we are created for this data one, spark dot create data frame data one. This is a one variable that we created for data, and columns, this is another variables, and second variable also we created. So what we'll just see the data of df1 and df2. Df1 dot show. So show is the function where we can see the our data. So if I run it, if you see the actual data, let me wait for some time, it is executing. So now if you see, if I go to the top, we have the two data frame. First data frame, we have the three records and three columns. First record is Amit, Ravi. We have the one duplicate record. And second data frame, if you see, we have the Neha and finance, and we have the three records. So we want to do the append of leak. At the last, we must get the whatever records we have the first data frame, and at the bottom we have the like after the first data frame we must have the second data frame data, right? So for that, like whenever you want to perform union all and union by name, we must have the number of column must be same, order of the column must be same, and data type of the column must be same. Now if you see, now we are doing the union. So syntax is very easy. So we have stored our result in df union, df1 dot union df2. Let me remove, I just, so just df1 dot what we want union, right? So if I press tab, it is in Databricks, it's like intelligence is very easy to understand. Whenever you just type u, it show the what function we want union, and we want just give the union for the df data frame 2, and we want to see the result. So if I run it once again, the code, you can see the result. So I can show you from the starting. This is data frame first, we have the three columns, and here also we have three columns. Order of the column must be same, so it is here is matching. Now if I go at the bottom, if you see, when we done the union, it will give the all the three record from the first data frame and remaining two record from the second data frame. So union and unionall both are same in Databricks. There is no difference. Mostly in SQL, union remove the duplicates, but in PySpark it not remove the duplicates. So that is the one important thing you have to keep in mind. In PySpark, both union and unionall are the same, and union don't remove the duplicates. I can show the union all also. So I can create same. I can just copy the same thing, and here I can make as a union all, and here also I can just copy the same name, and I can show the what happened. I mistake something tried here also. Let me refresh it. Let me, okay, so it is now working. Let me here control Z. I can copy the same syntax from above code, paste it in union all, and here I can mention, I can remove it dot union all, and here also I can make as a this variable. And now if I run the code, you can see the result. I can show step by step. Firstly, data frame 1, right? First data frame, second data frame. Then we have done the union. If I go to the bottom, if you see we have there is no, it not remove the duplicates. And if I show you the union all also, so it not remove the duplicate also, right? So this is union by name, we can see now. Now what happen, sometimes like order of the both the data frame is not same. I can show you, let's see. So here if you see the third data frame, so we have previously we have the two data frame 1 and data frame 2, right? Now we have the third data frame, but in that data frame if you see department is the first column, then we have the id and name. If you see here for our top two data frame, employee id is the first column, but here we have the second column. So in that case, in pyspark we have one more function, that is union by name. So we want to do the union but according to column name what we have the from the data frame 1 and data frame 3. Now we already created the data frame 3 by using the, if you see this is the column name from the data frame 3. I just give the column, I can make as a columns for the and third, so you get the idea. I can make copy this one and again paste here column 3. And again syntax is very easy, I can just remove it once again. Df union, I can give the variable name, and union by name I can give like that something. Now df1, we have the three records dot union by name, I can type it. Now if you see this is the function and this is case sensitive, and we want to do the df union by name according to df3. And then if I run this code at the last, you can see it will do the union but according to name. If you see here department, so it will in the first data frame we have the department in the which position, last position. So this column will go to the last position in the union by name last data frame. If you see this one, if I go to the from the scratch start, this is first data frame, second data frame, and if I come down I can show the data frame 3. Okay, I have not showed the data frame 3. Let me, what I will do, I just comment out the this one, so and this one, there will not confusion, and I can show the df3 dot show. Now if I run the code, you can see the result. df1, df2, and this is df3. If you see the we have the department in the first column, and after that we have done the union. If you see here Kiran and Meena, they are in the name in the last column, but here at the last we got the correct order. So that is the union all and union by name in the pyspark. So one thing you have to keep in mind, There is no difference between union and union all. So union not remove the duplicates in the pyspark. So that's all about the today's video. If you have any question, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.